Y mis padres, un abrazo para todos mis carnales. Fue rebelde que se manchó de pintura.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, obviously, you guys can see we have a door panel and we have some speakers. So we got new speakers going into the door panels. These are Rockford Fosgate R1s. We have the stock speakers in there now, and we're gonna have to take that off. But what I forgot to bring is the brackets. We're gonna need brackets because the speaker system comes with like an amp and it takes up a whole bunch of space, and we're gonna need a bracket to put our new ones in there. But first we're gonna take off this door, and by doing that we're gonna pull these tabs off right here, and pull this cap off. There's screws all around. We gotta take the screws that hold these brackets. There's a 14 mil under this bracket and all around, and it's just gonna be a whole bunch of bolts and nuts. No, just bolts, no nuts. No nuts today. And then there's also one on, you gotta put the window down. There's another screw behind, but I'll show you guys all that. Let's get started. Just to show you guys, these are the brackets that are gonna go like that, and then you put your new speaker in the hole and you get to go. So let's go ahead and start. Let me show you guys the one that's in here. There's a tab covering it. I took it off, and there's one in there. You guys can see. So there's that one. There's two here, one here, the two at the door handle, and then there's two on the edge over here. One and two, and there's more down here. There's two that connect that bracket, and we'll keep going. Once we remove this piece here with the one bolt that was attached on the other side, we're going to come over here and remove these two right here holding up this bracket. With all the screws removed, now we're just going to go ahead and pry from the left side to the right side, try to get the whole panel off. All right, this is what we're looking for. So we need to get rid of this whole assembly here, a bolt, and another one here. Screws, not bolts. Let's go ahead and take those off, and then we'll pull the whole assembly off, and we have to take this blue clip off. Actually, I should do this first. There we go. Now we take this whole thing off. Boom, as you guys can see, that's now removed, and we're going to replace it with our bracket here. So this is going to bolt up to the previous holes. There we go, and we can go ahead and use the same hardware that we just took off. There we go, got our new bracket installed. Now we're just gonna hook up our speaker to our cables here. We just got to figure out what is what. Now before I go ahead and put my speaker into the bracket, I'm gonna go ahead and test it, which I've already kind of put the wires in together to the speaker, to the little harness there. I'm gonna go ahead and test it. Got the radio on. Can't leave it on for too long before I get copywritten. So we know it works. Put that down again. We know it works, and we know what cables I need to use from here. So from here, the positive will be the white and the red, and the negative is going to be the black and the red. We'll just use the wires here, since we're never going to use this old nasty thing again. Ugh. Actually, I could sell those, huh? If anybody wants OEM Bose 300ZX speakers, let me know. I'll keep those just in case somebody wants them. But yeah, I'll just go ahead and do that. Wire straight into here, and I'll go ahead and solder it, and I'll show you guys the process.
A mi colección un juguete dorado, en las canchas se quedó el karma grabado.
As you guys saw there, it works really good. So now all there is left to do is connect these two here together, you know, positive with the positive, negative with the negative, and we'll be solid on this side. Just go ahead and put everything back on, and we'll move on to the next side. So here we go. Got everything installed, got the speaker installed, the wires connected. I was gonna solder on, but I was like, nah, I'll just go with these, much faster, don't have to wait for it to heat up or anything. And they're on there pretty tight, so that's good to go. Now we gotta put the door panel back on, and we'll go on to the next side. And just like that, this side is done. You can't even tell, except we took off all that bunch of mumbo jumbo. But new speaker in, can't even tell. Good. On to the next side. Now for this side, everything's mostly the same. Got bolts all around. Right here, roll window down. You got another one over there, but there's no handlebar, so they're gonna be in here. You can take that little piece of carpet off, and there's gonna be 2 bolts in there. Take those off, and same thing. Take it all off. All right, speaker installation, boom, done. Speaker here, speaker there, Gucci. Now let's go ahead and do a little test. But I'll show you how to gotta do it if you really want to get fine. I think we need to mess with the settings a little bit, but it's way better than how it was before. I mean, before speakers did not work at all, so I didn't have a before. But you guys got an after, and they sound incredible. I am 1000% pleased with them. They are the Rockford Fosgate RP1s, I think, something like that. I'll leave a link down below. Check them out on Amazon. Another thing you got to watch out for, I got those used for like 25 bucks. They're originally like 40 brand new, but you got to read the listing that they said like new. So I saved myself some money, and I got them like new pretty much, and they work, which is like the biggest thing they have to watch out for. But I am all around pleased with my new sound system.
You said, yeah, we know this cat. You ain't got the asking when you see me, no straight. DTOVO, we back again, we gon' play.
That's it, guys. That's how easy it is to switch out your old speakers. Just remember, you guys need those brackets also, because you cannot, unless you get, no, I doubt if you get like a, I don't know how small those are, like 4-inch speakers. But nah, you don't want that. Go ahead and get the bracket. You can also get it at Amazon. I'll link it down below. Bracket speakers for like 60 bucks. Less than that, 50 bucks. And you get nice sound all around. Take it. I did. So there's that. Well, anyways, that's going to do it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of what else I should upgrade. Got a couple things in mind, but comment down below what else you guys think I need for the Z. But that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out, and always keep improving.